hard is it to forge one of these guys right here? That is the end of a jackhammer bit. And you can get jackhammer bits if you go to some of your equipment rental places. If they have old ones that are worn out, a lot of times they throw them in the scrap metal dumpster. Sometimes you can pick them up for free or dirt cheap, but it's really good stuff for making tools, things like that. So anyway, so I've been told. I'm fairly new to this, you guys remember that, but I don't have the heat going out here tonight because the forge is plenty hot enough to sweat me out when I'm standing next to it. But so anyway, I'm going to show you guys how hard it is to pound that out by hand, and I'll tell you what, I don't think that's any harder than the 1080 to pound out, but it does require, it seems, a lot of heat to work it. But then I'm not going to tell you guys what we're making. All I'll say is that we're making a giant butter knife, and I don't want to let on what we're doing because there might be a Canadian or two watching, and those guys, you can't trust them as far as you can throw them. I mean, they're like a mile and a half across the river from me. They're odd people, very, very odd people. So anyway, stay tuned. We're going to do a little bit of forging, and I'll catch you on the other side of it. Alright folks, there's our giant butter knife. I like a big butter knife, you know what I mean? All kinds of uses for something like this. You can beat your kids with it. Well, don't go home and beat your kids. That's not very nice. I joke about it, but don't do it. But it would make a good disciplinary tool, I suppose. But anyway, I'm not going to tell you guys exactly what it is because it will become very clear very soon. All I will tell you is that we are gearing up to get the grinder finished, and I want to have some projects ready for it to go while I'm in my waiting time for the motor and the damn frequency drive that FedEx was supposed to deliver today, and them shady bastards didn't get it here. I tell you what. You know what I like about FedEx? Not a damn thing. Not a damn thing. I hate when I gotta wait for something and it doesn't get delivered on the day that it was specified to be delivered. That's just not right. You know, it's funny. A lot of people complain about the post office, but I tell you what, they are bang bang. I send something USPS and it is right there, probably quicker than any of them. And for the cheapest too. But anyway, that's what we're up to tonight. We're just another night of dicking off out here in the shop, puttering around, massively swearing, having to cut the volume out because of the damn blower on over the forge hood, but she's working well. So anyway, thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Oh, and if you think you know what it is, go ahead and leave a comment below. There we go. We'll do a shameless plug for comments. I'll take any kind of guesses. I'll show you guys one more time. Our giant butter knife. That was a lot of steel to move by hand, I'll tell you that. It's nowhere near as done, but my arms feel like spaghetti right now. And I've been going hard at the forge the last few nights, swinging that big, big 8-pounder. And I tell you, after swinging that, you go to hold a smaller hammer, and it's like you're swinging a feather. It's almost hard to swing a small hammer after that monster. So anyway, there, I'm signing out. Have a good night, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one.